Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not a professional, that is a disclaimer. So, we are customising this crop top. I'm not allowed to wear crop tops, so we're customising it with this pretty lace.
Fringe is fringe, not
It's
lace.
a lace as well.
No,
My friend George is behind me. You're getting shot. So she's like Edna from The Incredibles, a bitch.
No, I'm just telling you what the things are. That's
Sorry,
fringe.
it's a lace and a fringe because it has lace at the
Just
top.
fringe.
So, fringe. We're going to be customising it with this pretty fringe.
Which is correct.
I'm not sure how it's going to look or how it's going to go on there, but it's going to go on there somehow. Would you say under it or over it?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll be doing it in time lapse and I'll be doing some speaking bits, and unfortunately my dad is sawing, so you'll have a sawing in the background, but if you can't hear me I'll put text or speak over it. Let's get started. So step one is to measure how much of this you need. We're going to need a crop top.
From Primark.
Do you just want to say where everything's from? Even though
Yeah.
you don't know where everything's from.
I'll go make sure up. You can't swear in videos.
No, I get demonetised.
Start again.
Crop top from Primark.
That used to be mine.
That used to be your best friends. I have two best friends, her and Sophie, before anyone starts commenting, I thought your friends are Sophie. I'm allowed more than one best friend. I'm autistic.
Yeah, but I'm the main best friend. Shh. Some fringe from my mum's shed. If she can sort it out.
I'm a professional.
Definitely not professional.
Should I release marks that says I'm a professional?
Professional.
So you need some
If you spell
lace
it right, sure.
or fringe. That kind of suits me.
No, it doesn't.
I think I'm going to make myself a headband like this.
Something under.
I feel like a human lampshade.
It's because we're a lampshade.
But I don't have really bright ideas, so
That's the only thing you're not bright.
I hope I got this. I hope we catch that on audio. I kind of like this.
I have no makeup on.
Anyway,
I also bought Play-Doh.
yes, so she's gonna sit in the corner and be quiet and play with her Play-Doh.
No, by that time I didn't see the end.
So this is a box,
We can start
as you
again.
can tell, and in it we have my thread, scissors, things that are really hard to use with one hand.
They're not.
We have a pick, Sharpie, a pen. We have a bag. Let's see if I can open it one-handed. Hold on. I have to do it with my teeth.
Not 100, didn't it?
You've got all your different colour threads in there.
I just dribbled.
You got all. I can't be able to open that. You got all your pins. You're gonna need pins. You're gonna everything I'm showing you're gonna need. You don't need the charger though, unless your phone's gonna die. Scissors, but not them ones. These ones. I'm such a professional.
Professional.
Shut up. The most important piece of equipment you're gonna need is a sewing machine.
And a best friend.
And a best friend to annoy you. If you haven't got that, you can have a sibling. So now we're going to zoom to me trying to figure out how much thread to use. Me being a professional, I would suggest to have a little bit extra, probably an inch or so extra, just in case you didn't do the calculations correctly, because we all can't be professionals.
I know, right, Molly?
I'm so cringy.